Good evening to all of you. So today our first class of map practice. So the class was scheduled on 30th July, that means yesterday, but due to some reason I cannot upload the video. So today I am making this one. So in this video I am going to share the strategy of map practice of the Ramsar sites of India. So as you can see, this is the map of Ramsar sites of India. Here you can get the 37 Ramsar sites of India till date. So this is the Ramsar sites, but before practicing the map of Ramsar sites, I am going to share some static notes for the prelims 2020. So as you can see, these are the notes for the prelims. So these are the 37 Ramsar sites of India. So first of all, not all the Ramsar sites are important for the prelims 2020, but those are very much important which included in 2019 and 2020. So first, note it down that which Ramsar sites are the newest one. The first one is the Beas Conservation Reserve 2020, included in 2020. You have to remember it properly, like in which state, like the islands, sandbars, braided channels, Indus River dolphin, the flora and fauna of it, and critically endangered gharial. You have to remember all the things. Then come to this one, Chilika Lake. It is the first Ramsar site of India. It is also important for the prelims point of view. Then this one, Keuladeo National Park. It is also important. It is also included in 1981, the first from India. Then Keshopur Miami Community Reserve. This is from also Punjab in 2020, added in Ramsar sites, and it is also from the current affairs point of view and important for the prelims. Then come to the Nal Sarovar Bird Sanctuary. This is included in 2012. Then come to the Nandur Mahadeshwar. This is also in 2020 from the Maharashtra. It is also important and you have to remember all the things properly from it. Then come to the Nangal Wildlife Sanctuary 2020. Nawabganj Bird Sanctuary 2020. It is Nangal Wildlife Sanctuary from Punjab and Nawabganj Bird Sanctuary from UP, that means Uttar Pradesh. Then Parvati Agra Bird Sanctuary, it is also from Uttar Pradesh, UP, included in 2020. Then come to the Saman Bird Sanctuary, also from UP, included in 2020. Then Samaspur Bird Sanctuary, also from UP, included in 2020. So these are important from the current affairs point of view. This is the same Sandi Bird Sanctuary, UP, 2020. Sarsainavar Jheel from UP, 2020. Then Sundarban Wetland. This is very much important because it is included in 2019 from current affairs point of view, and also it is the largest mangrove in the world and largest Ramsar sites in the India. So you have to remember each and everything properly from these Ramsar sites. First of all, for the prelims point of view. Then come to the almost all the important, and this is also important, Ular Lake, Somoriri. These are the important sections. So then you have to remember that from which state the most Ramsar sites are included. From Uttar Pradesh 7, then Punjab 6, Himachal Pradesh 3, Kerala 3, Jammu Kashmir 3, Odisha 2, Rajasthan 2, West Bengal 2, then Andhra Pradesh, Assam, Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra, Manipur, Tamil Nadu, Tripura, Ladakh. All of them had 1. So all total 37 Ramsar sites are in India. Then come to the largest, smallest, newest and oldest Ramsar sites of India. The largest are Sundarban, West Bengal, 4,230 square kilometer. Then Vembanath Col from Kerala, 1,512. Chilika, Odisha, 1,165. Koleru, Andhra Pradesh, 901. Vitarkanika Mangrove, Odisha, 650. Ashtamudi Lake, Kerala, 614. So these are the largest site of India. Then come to the smallest site, Renuka Lake, Himachal Pradesh, 0.2 square kilometer. Chandratal, Himachal Pradesh, 0.49. And Nangal Wildlife Sanctuary, Punjab, 1 square kilometer. So these are the largest and the smallest. Then come to the newest. This is the most important, newest, because from the current affairs point of view. Nandur Mahadeshwar, Maharashtra, 2020. Keshopur Miami, Beas Conservation Reserve and Nangal. These 3 are included from Punjab in 2020. Nawabganj, Parvati Agra, Saman, Samaspur, Sandi, Sarsvainavar. 6 are included from UP in 2020. So as you can see that in 2020, 10 Ramsar sites are included in India from India. Then come to the Sundarban, West Bengal from 2019, Nal Sarovar Bird Sanctuary from Gujarat 2012. So as first, then come to the oldest one. These are the oldest one. Chilika Lake first, Odisha 1981, Keuladeo Ghana National Park first, Rajasthan 1981. So as you can see, this is the map. So how you have to practice the map for the prelims and also for the mains answer writing from geography or environment perspective. So first of all, you have to mark it as a state wise. That means you have written here that from Uttar Pradesh 7. So first you have to mark the Uttar Pradesh. So as you can see, this is the Upper Ganga river. Then this is the Saman, Sandi. This is Parvati Agra. I hope you can see. This is the Samanpur. This is Nawabganj. Then this is Sarsai Nawab. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So from Uttar Pradesh, 7 completed. Then come to the Punjab. From Punjab, 6. First of all added Bias. Then come to the Keshapur Miami. Then Kanjli, Harike, Nangal. This is from Pongdam. So now 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So completed 6. So like this, you have to complete all the map of Ramsar site in your map location. So, but your main focus should be on the current issues or the current topic. That means which are included in 2019 and 2020. So from their perspective, Sundarban, Nandur Mahadeshwar, Nal Sarovar, Sarsai Nawab, Nawabganj, Samaspur, then Parvati Agra, Sandi, Saman, Bias, Keshapur Miani, Nangal. So these are the almost 10, I think. The most recent are the 10 topic is important from the prelims point of view. And here you have to know that NP is equal to National Park. Those who are beginner, they don't know. NP is equal to National Park, WS is equal to Wildlife Sanctuary, and BS is equal to Bird Sanctuary. And the most recently added are the Bias, Saman and Sarsai Nawab. This is the most recently added. These 3 are the most recently added from in 2020. So as you can see, these are the important locations. You have to mark it first. Then you have to draw a straight line and you have to write the name of that particular wetlands. So first, as you can see, this is the map of that particular Ramsar sites of India. And these are the notes of it. You have to make notes from the prelims point of view. Those are important notes. So these are the notes. You have to remember each and every static point, especially those points like the rivers which are flowing into them, the natural or man-made, then the which state it's belong to, then the flora and fauna, IUC and red listed endangered fauna or flora of that particular site. Then these are the important topics which you have to remember for the prelims. And I hope your Ramsar Sites Convention have cleared now. So that's it for today. If you like this video, please hit the like button and share with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Take care. Goodbye.